In this video, I'll show you how to summarize RSS feeds with Claude inside N8N. First, log into your N8N account and create a new workflow. Next, add an RSS feed read node and enter the RSS feed URL you want to monitor. Now, add a schedule trigger before it if you want N8N to check the feed automatically at regular intervals. After that, connect the RSS feed read node to an Anthropic or Claude node and connect your Claude credentials. Next, add a prompt that tells Claude to summarize the article title, description, and content in a short and clear format. Now, connect the nodes and click Execute Workflow to test the automation. After that, review Claude's output and adjust the prompt if you want shorter summaries, specific formatting, or a particular writing style. Next, add another node if you want to send the summaries somewhere, such as email, Slack, or Google Sheets. Finally, save and activate the workflow so N8N can automatically read new RSS articles and generate summaries with Claude. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to summarize RSS feeds with Claude inside N8N. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.